Codeine in my cup, codeine in my cup, yeah. Got the dudes like what the fuck, dudes like what the fuck, yeah. It ain't cool to kick the cup, cool to kick the cup, yeah. I'm like, ooh, she bad as fuck, ooh, she bad as fuck.
Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Glow. So this song it's not very new. I think it's been 2 months now, and by the time this video is coming out it might have been 3 months since this album dropped, but this is just one of the songs I liked on this album. This album's called Still Pain, and the song specifically is called Codeine. And yeah, I'm not gonna yap too much. I'm just gonna play the original song and then I'll show you my raw vocals and then my preset and what it sounds like. But yeah, this is Codeine by Glow.
Codeine in my cup, codeine in my cup, yeah. Drop the deuce like what the fuck, deuce like what the fuck, yeah. It ain't cool to kick the cup, cool to kick the cup, yeah. I'm like, ooh, she bad as fuck, ooh, she bad as fuck, yeah. She a bougie bitch, don't make me lose my shit. I bought a new bitches, she shaking, ooh, that shit. Cardi on my wrist, I can't tell the time, yeah. I bad the baddest bitch on my timeline. I'm just like Deion Sanders, I'm in prime time. I'm just like Deion Sanders, I'm in prime time.
So yeah, that was Glow's song Codeine, and now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals like always. Let me go ahead and turn these presets all off, and this is what my vocals sound like.
Yo, drop the dudes like what the fuck, dudes like what the fuck, yeah. It ain't cool to kick the cup, cool to kick the cup, yeah.
That's my genuine first time hearing those raw, because I did these with the format shift on the auto-tune, so I had no idea what I sounded like while I was recording that. But yeah, not good. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the presets sound like.
Codeine in my cup, codeine in my cup, yeah. Got the dudes like what the fuck, dudes like what the fuck, yeah. It ain't cool to kick the cup, cool to kick the cup, yeah. I'm like, ooh, she bad as fuck, ooh, she bad as fuck, yeah. She a bougie bitch, don't make me lose my shit. I bought a new vintage, she shaking, boom, that shit. Cardi on my wrist, I can't tell the time. Yeah, I'm the baddest bitch on my timeline. I'm just like Deion Sanders, I'm in prime time. I'm just like Deion Sanders, I'm in prime time.
So yeah, that's what those presets sound like. For this one, I just simply have a main preset and an ad-lib preset. There wasn't a lot going on. If you guys want these presets, both the main and the ad-lib will be completely free in my Discord. The only preset in here that isn't free is my master preset, which is $10 on benevolent.shop. But if you guys would rather have this whole FLP, it's only going to be $15, and it comes with the FLP, a template ready to record in, my best waves master preset, and it'll also come with my best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have waves plugins. So yeah, $15 is a good deal. I'll leave that linked in the description below. But if you guys just want these free presets, that's completely fine. They'll be in the Discord, which will be the first link in the description. You just scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then they'll be right down here. If you're watching this in the future, obviously you might have to scroll up a bit, and then also if you scroll up, there will be hundreds of free presets in there, so go get some presets and go make some good music. But yeah, now that all that's out of the way, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is the auto-tune. Now for this one, the auto-tune is kind of important because this format shift right here is kind of what gives it that effect. It's what gives it that kind of low voice effect. So you want to turn this format shift on 115, and if it sounds like weird and unnatural, you could like dial it back a little bit, but 115 felt right for my voice. And then I just put it on 0 retune, 0 humanize because it sounded really robotic in the original song. And then for the ad-lib, I did the exact same thing. And yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. So if it helps you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Turn it down, turn me, I don't let me down. They tryna